Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the Such stands for EDC gear. Today we have a package from Blade Ops. I'm going to open it with the Kaiser Mini Roach and be right back. Okay, here's the box. It says Lightning, Purple, Black Tonto Point. I know this is a entry-level budget OTF, but for the price you can't go wrong, and for starting out, it's a good starter. See lighting on a clip? No. Probably 440 steel. 440 blade steel. Most 99% of OTFs have blade play. And you got this belt sheath if you really want to use that. Nylon belt sheath. Let me know what you think of what I got in the comment section below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day, be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Enjoy the hobby. Hopefully get something good, decent, collect what you like, be safe. Look out for the guy, girl to your left. Look out for the guy, girl to your right. Hashtag be up. Hashtag DSKFS. Choose love, not hate. Enjoy your friends, your family, your pets, yummy food, your music, your video games. And remember to use your sharp blades. Bye.